Alright, let's talk about heel spurs. Heel spurs are painful, and the reason that most heel spurs happen is because of an irritated plantar fascia. Plantar fascia is a ligament that runs on the bottom of your foot. Gives you stability and balance. It's concentrated right here at the front of the calcaneus, which is your heel bone, and it fans out to the metatarsal heads. The fascia is a cross between a muscle and a tendon. It's a tensile muscle, and it's designed to get bigger and smaller. If it can't get bigger and smaller, it gets inflamed. It always manifests itself in the front of the calcaneus, because that's where it's concentrated. It fans out, and it's concentrated right here. And that's where most bone spurs occur. They can occur in other places on your body, but that's the one that's really the most prevalent and painful. It's actually your body's reaction to the fascia being irritated. Your body will actually try to build bone from here to a different part of the fascia to alleviate the stress. That's where bone spurs come from. The main cause of plantar fasciitis, in my experience, has been tight shoes. If the ball of your foot is squeezed, then it cannot fan out. Therefore, the fascia cannot operate as it is designed to operate, and it becomes painful. This can also cause what they call metatarsalgia, which is pain in the ball of your foot. It's just a fancy name for it. This can happen too when your shoes are short. And when I say short, it's not from heel to toe. It's from heel to where the foot bends. That's why it's very important when you fit your shoes to make sure the shoe bends where the foot bends. Each shoe is shaped like your foot. It has certain apex on each side of the shoe where the shoe is the widest. You want to make sure that your foot is bending where the shoe bends. If you do not have a shoe that bends where your foot bends, most times it's a short shoe, then it creates a lot of pressure on the ball of your foot that you don't realize you're getting. This will also irritate the fascia. So if you're wearing tight shoes or shoes that are short, this will cause fasciitis. Also, if you wear a shoe with no support, meaning no shank, which most shoes have no shank, this can also cause fasciitis because the shoe is not supporting the arch of your foot. Going barefoot for long periods of time can also cause fasciitis. Our feet were not designed to walk on hard, flat surfaces. That's why we wear shoes. Our feet are plantar grade, and the shoes give us protection. So if you're having bone spurs and they won't go away, make sure your shoe is not tight, make sure your foot is bending where the shoe bends, and make sure there's some kind of support in your shoe. Good luck.